Welcome. In Python, a module is simply a file containing pre-written code. By breaking your programs into smaller modules, you make your code much easier to organize, maintain, and reuse across different projects, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Think of modules like a vast, professional workshop. You don't need every tool scattered on your desk at once. Importing is like reaching into the toolbox to grab only the specific tool you need for the current task, saving space and reducing clutter. To bring an entire module into your script, use the import keyword followed by the module name. Once imported, you access functions by typing the module name, followed by a dot, and then the function name. Here, we use the math module to calculate a square root. If you only need one specific feature, use the from keyword. This lets you import just that function directly into your script. Notice how we no longer need to type math before sqrt because the function now lives directly in our local namespace. Sometimes module names are long, or you might have naming conflicts. We use the as keyword to create an alias, which acts like a shorthand nickname. In this example, we import math as m, making our code shorter and much faster to type. Python comes with a huge collection of built-in code called the standard library. These modules, like math for calculations or random for generating numbers, are ready to use the moment you install Python. You don't need to download anything extra, just import them. Here is a vital tip: never name your own script the same as a standard module. If you name your file math.py, Python will try to import your file instead of the real one, which will crash your program. Always use unique names for your files. Let's see this in action. By importing the math module, we gain access to the sqrt function. We call it using math.sqrt with 16 inside the parentheses. The result, printed to the console, is 4.0. It is clean, simple, and very efficient. For maximum efficiency, you can combine specific imports with aliases. Here, we extract only the pi constant from math and rename it p. This makes your code much shorter and avoids typing out the full module name every time you need a specific value. Time for a quick quiz. Which of these is the most efficient way to use just the square root function? The answer is B. By using from math import sqrt, you only load that specific tool into your script's memory instead of the entire math module. To wrap up, remember these three keys. Use imports to unlock Python's massive standard library. Keep your script lightweight by only importing exactly what you need, and always use aliases to keep your code clean and easy to read. Happy coding!